So you might be wondering what a mortgage is. Maybe you're about to buy a house or you've heard of this term before and you're just curious how it works. Well, in case you don't know, my name is Davin. I help people who want to get ahead in life overcome their biggest financial burdens by eliminating their rent bill and replacing it with a plan towards financial freedom. So let's jump right into what a mortgage is. A mortgage is a type of secured loan. There are unsecured loans and secured loans. So an unsecured loan might be like your credit card, where if you don't pay it back, they're going to damage your credit score, but they're not really going to come after you in many other ways. Versus a secured loan like your car, if you do not pay your car loan, they will take your car. Same with the house. If you buy a piece of real estate with a secured loan called a mortgage, you owe payments to that mortgage until you die. That is why it's called a mortgage, right? Mort meaning death. So it is literally payments until you die. That's what the meaning means. But there are a lot of payment options out there. For example, a 30-year fixed rate loan, if you buy it when you're in your 20s, you will pay it off when you're in the middle of your life, which means that you will have a lot of use out of the home where you don't have to make payments on it. So that is one key topic that you need to understand is houses do not have payments, loans have payments. And this loan is going to help you get that asset of owning real estate. So when you apply for a loan, there's a lot of things that you need to understand. You're going to have to find a good loan officer. Don't just talk to your bank, actually find the best loan officers in your area because buying real estate is more complicated than just a simple application. So let's get into the nitty-gritty of some home loans that you might be shopping around for. As I mentioned earlier, most people are going to buy a 30-year fixed rate home loan because that is honestly, by a lot of expert standards, one of the best loan products that exist. There were a lot of other loan options that people used previous to 2008 that don't exist anymore, mainly because they're dangerous and a lot of people just simply don't have any use for those types of products anymore with how low the interest rates are in the modern world, especially here in the United States. So yes, if your loan officer is encouraging you to buy that 30-year fixed rate loan, that is considered one of the best products that you can buy, and you have my confidence behind that. Now, when you're paying this loan, you could put a higher down payment down and have a smaller monthly payment, or when you're paying back this loan, you could put a much smaller portion down to buy your house and have a much bigger monthly payment. Either way, you might notice that it's only a slight difference in that month-to-month bill, but it does add up over time. So you're going to want to make sure that you actually have an investment strategy that tells you whether or not you should be going with the 3.5% FHA loan, which is only, again, 3.5% down payment, not 3.5% interest, because interest does fluctuate depending on your credit score and the current market conditions. So on the opposite end of the spectrum, you might be looking at paying even more than 20% down. Now, if you have more than 20% down, a lot of experts would agree that you would want to put about 20% down and not 50% down. There's a lot of reasons for this. However, your unique situation is going to determine what you're going to do. Obviously, some people are more risk averse, and some people might be listening to this video saying, how am I ever going to get $60,000 to put down on a $300,000 home? That is the beauty of home loans. They give access to one of the best wealth building tools, which is your home, to a wide variety of people. Whether you're very, very risk tolerant and you're okay taking some risks for huge rewards, or you're very risk intolerant and you want that guarantee on your money that you know that your money is going to the right place, either person can win with simply choosing the right mortgage product for them and working with a financial planner, a good realtor, and a good loan officer who all understand their financial needs. And maybe you're at the point of this video where you're saying, Davin, just tell me which one is better. Should I go with a higher down payment or should I go with a lower down payment? Well, unfortunately, I can't answer that in this video today, so you're gonna have to watch next week's video, which is on investment strategies. It's everything you need to know about cash flow versus equity growth strategies, and I want to see you there. So make sure you subscribe, leave a like, and watch our next video.